pilot project, what happens? There will be coordinators. Senior leaders will be the coordinators at the PCC level, at the district level, and the constituency level, and block level. There will be coordinators belonging to frontal organizations like Sevadal, Youth Congress, Mahila Congress, NSUI, Dalit Department, OBC Department, Adivasi Congress, Social Media Department, similarly Kisan Cell. All those departments also will have coordinators. Enrollers are called Janamitras. Each coordinator will identify 50 Janamitras. They will be trained how to operate on the mobile app. These Janamitras, after registering, will visit house to house and make at least 50 to 100 members. There will be a mobile app. What I need is 4 parameters. Name, I will download the Indian National Congress membership website. I myself will enroll, saying my name, my voter ID and my mobile number, and click my photo. So I will be registered as the Janamitra. Janamitra can enroll house to house. Jaake, he will enroll other new members. There will be a dashboard. So we will click on a particular coordinator. Under him, how many Janamitras are there? And each Janamitra I can click. It will give me who are the members he has enrolled. So that is how we will keep a data, and we can communicate with them